Hi guys, welcome back. Today I thought I would share with you my new crochet book. So this book, as you can see, is all about flowers. So it has 66 different flowers to crochet. And this book is by Tash Bentley. So if we open the book, you can see the cotton they use is the DMC cotton. However, I don't have any DMC cotton. I have James Brett pure cotton, and I have worked up some of the flowers in that cotton using my 3.5mm crochet hook, and I shall share those with you in a moment so you can see how they worked up. I'm really happy with them, so I'm quite happy to continue using the James Brett cotton. So at the beginning of the book, as you'd expect, it has everything you need to know regarding your materials and equipment. And the yarns, as I say, is the DMC yarn. And you have abbreviations. So the patterns consist of both the diagrams and also a written pattern underneath each visual pattern. So the written pattern, they are all written in UK terminology. So if we go through, I will show you some of the ones I made. I'll just quickly flick through here just so you can get an idea. So many beautiful flowers and some really unusual flowers that you don't normally see. So these are really pretty. There's a fuchsia, I saw fuchsias, a daffodil, different kind of daffodil. I don't normally make mine like that. So that's interesting. It's a different type. There's leaves and a lily pad. They have a lily flower as well that sits on the top. So some really pretty leaves. They have heart leaves as well. There we go, there's the heart leaves, they're pretty. That's the lily. Pansies, more traditional type daffodils, that's the kind of ones I'm used to making. But it's always good to have a variety. So there's 3 different types of daffodils in here. Like lovely Christmas designs. More leaves, and there's the fuchsia. Really, really pretty. Daisies. So the one I started with is this one, just so I've made a few just to show you how they turn out. So I started with the petal wheel, and this is how it turned out, so I'm really pleased with that. So these are really, really versatile. You could string these up as bunting, you could use them as applique on your bags or blankets, or you could even use them for your card making. So one flower has lots of uses, so this is a really, really good book. Moving on to this one, I also made this one. This came out really, really pretty. That's that one. So that's quite a large flower, so you could even use these as coasters, or you could string them up to make quite large bunting, be nice wedding bunting. You do them in all different colours. You can make like a festival bunting, I'll say, or they would make really good coasters the size they are. So the patterns are really easy to follow. As long as you've got basic crochet knowledge, you'll be able to follow them no problem at all. There's flowers of all different shapes and sizes, so I'll show you an example here. So this is a small flower that I made up, which was this one here, and then I also went on to make the larger one. That's the larger one there, just to show you the size difference. Okay, so lots of choices and variations of flowers. So a few of the flowers do have the option of sizes to make them in a small or a large, which I think is really nice. So there's a really, really good variety of flowers in here. Different daisy. I'll just quickly run through. Oh, the dandelion bud. Don't normally see that one. That was a new one to me. And the dandelion, the open dandelion. So if there's anything in here, or if you feel, that's nice, the fuchsia, if there's anything that you think you would like me to make, to show you as examples how I made them, then do let me know in the comments, and I am happy to make up some flowers. I'll just quickly flick through and show you some more. That's the leaves there, some more leaves. And this one, I made this one as well, because it was a different type of flower to what I'd normally make, so I thought I'd have a go at making this one. and again, they turn out really well. Sometimes it can be disappointing. You're hoping they're going to turn out like the picture, and they never quite do. But so far I've been really happy with all of these, how they've turned out. So overall, I would recommend this book, especially for summer, making anything flower related. So I hope this has helped, and I say if you are interested in making flowers, then I do suggest you purchase this book. I'm not affiliated with it in any way whatsoever. It's just a new book to me, and I thought it was a really useful book for crocheting our flowers. So as I say, if you would like me to do any tutorials on the flowers, then drop me a message in the box below, and I can just randomly go through the book and make some and video them as I'm going, just to help out those who find it difficult to read patterns. So just let me know, and don't forget to like the video and do subscribe to the channel for further product reviews and also tutorials, and I shall see you in the next video.